Most students complicate this square root equation, but there's a super fast trick to solve it. The first thing, we're gonna move the root 7 to the other side, change the sign to minus. So we'll have root 2x equals root 63 minus square root of 7. And we're gonna rewrite this. Now, the perfect square that goes into 63 is 9. So we could change the 63 to 9 times 7 minus root 7. Now we have root 2x equals, and this we could separate the roots, so we'll have root 9 times root 7 minus root 7. Now we have root 2x equals the square root of 9. We know that's 3 times root 7 minus root 7, which is square root of 2x equals 3 times root 7, just going to be 3 root 7 minus root 7. And 3 root 7 minus, there's a 1 here, minus 1 root 7, these are like terms. We will rewrite this as square root of 2x equals, minusing like terms again, it's going to give me 2 root 7. Now, to get rid of the square root, we're going to square both sides. Now, the square here cancels the square root, and we're going to have 2x equals, and here we're going to distribute the square and put it on top of the 2 on the top, and on the top of root 7. So we'll have 2 squared times square root of 7 squared, and again the square root cancels the square, and we're going to have 2x equals 2 squared is 4 times 7, 2x equals 28. We divide both sides by 2. We end up with x equals 14. And that's how you solve radical equations quickly, by simplifying first. Smarter, not harder.